Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the home screen auto-rotate on a Samsung phone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make the home screen auto-rotate, first swipe down on the home page and then swipe down again from the top of the screen to reveal the quick access menu. On here, look for the icon called auto-rotate or portrait and first make sure this is on by tapping on the icon. It should be coloured when on. Now tap on where it says Auto Rotate just under the icon and find the section called Rotate to Landscape Mode. Find the home screen option and all you need to do is turn on the toggle switch next to this and then you can try it out after tapping on Done. That's how to make the home screen auto rotate on a Samsung phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.